welcome back. It's Tori from Tinicum Library. Today, March 10th, is National No Smoking Day, so we will be making a simulation of a lung. If you'd like to do the STEM project along with me, you will need balloons, an empty 1-liter bottle, some straws, clay, and duct tape. The first step is to cut the bottom off of your clear bottle. After you cut off the bottom of your bottle, you'll be left with a pretty jagged edge. You're going to want to cover the whole edge in duct tape. Next, we can start on the actual lungs. I'll be starting with the healthy lung. I'll be using a red balloon for my healthy lung, but if you don't have different color balloons, then it doesn't really matter. You're going to put one end of the straw into the end of the balloon, and you will duct tape it very tightly around. This is what it should look like. You want to make sure that there's no air leaks. You can put that aside and we can move on to our smoker lung. You will actually need 2 balloons for this, and I will be using black balloons. You will need to place one balloon inside of another balloon, so you wouldn't use something like a pencil or a straw to help push it through. As you can see, I have one balloon inside of the other now, and now you're going to do the same thing with the duct tape. Again, make sure there's no air leaks. The reason we put one balloon inside of the other for the smoker lung is to demonstrate that smoking damages the elasticity of the alveoli tissue. Now that we have our 2 lungs, we can bring back our bottle. You'll want to pull the straws up through the bottom and out through the opening. Now you'll take your clay and you'll seal the straws in at the opening of the bottle and make sure there are no air holes. As you can see, my clay has no air holes. Make sure you take your time with it. If you do leave air holes, it will not work as intended. Next, take a teensy bit of clay and stick it in the straw of your unhealthy smoker's lung. This just demonstrates the blockage that smoking can cause. Next, we're going to take one more balloon. We'll cut the bottom off of it and we'll wrap it around the bottom of our bottle. I will be honest, that took a lot of effort and I lost multiple balloons in the process. Now that it's on, I'm being very careful until I duct tape around the edges to make sure the balloon stays in place. I'm holding mine like this so that on the camera you can kind of see the healthy lung and the smoker's lung better. When you tug on this bottom balloon, you should see that the healthy lung inflates much more than the smoker lung. The only thing I would recommend is when you do it, you pull the straws further up so that you can see them better over the duct tape. For mine, the red balloon, so my healthy lung, did inflate. My black smoker's lung, I didn't see it inflate at all. So I guess the healthy lung definitely works better. So that was our STEM activity for National Non-Smoking Day. I hope you learned a little bit about how smoking affects the lungs and that you enjoyed the project. Let us know in the comments if you tried this and it worked well for you. Bye, see you next time.